Today I'm going to be reviewing LKCTB's electric cardboard cutter scissors. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Let's open the box, see what we got, and let's cut something. When you open the box, you're greeted to another box. But I love it because I love carrying cases. Let's go ahead and look at this here. It's a nice case, nice hard outside, charging cable here. And look, you have, if you can see that there, an extra blade if you need it. It is self-sharpening and it has a safety switch. LED light, as you can see there. And then up here, obviously you want to be careful. Let's go see how well this cuts. I'm going to go ahead and grab a piece of cardboard. All right, here we go. It doesn't look pretty, but that doesn't matter. Again, LED light if you need it. You're just going to put it in there and it's going to cut it. It actually works really cool. I want to do that again. Let's try it again. I wasn't even sure if it was cutting. Wow. It's like butter. I'm actually kind of impressed. I don't know why. I just am. That's really cool. Up to 0.23 inches this can cut. It can cut a lot of things, not just cardboard. I even saw a picture of them cutting carpet, leather, whatever. There's so many things you can cut with this as long as the thickness fits within what this could do. And the fact that it's self-sharpening, you get another blade. I don't know. It just feels really good. 2600 mAh lithium battery. So this is going to last a long time. About 60 minutes of continuous use. That's what it looks like there. Not loud at all. This does well on Amazon. 4.7 stars, and last month 400 plus of just this color were sold. So people are buying it. I'm not seeing this getting returned. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.